Okay, good day once again and again and again. So, let's move to final classification. Hi, this is the madugong labanan. Anyways, so in final classification, the governing fingers is the little finger only. Ano lang. And we need to look only for actually loop. But if it happens that your little finger has a whirl pattern, so there's another rule to be followed na sub. So if it happens also that your pattern is arches, it will be represented again by dash. So in final classification also, numbering na ni. We are using numbers or we are writing the ridge count result of your loop pattern. And if it happens that your little fingers has a whirl patterns, both right and left, then we need to make in exemption. Char. Bitaw. Anyways, so for whirls, this is the rules. If you have plain whirl and central pocket loop whirl, you will treat that as ulnar loop. Himuuni mo siya ulnar loop. And if you have double loop whirl, both from it's either from your left little finger or right little finger, the upright loop ang imong kwintahon. And for accidental, least ridge count. Okay? So, ingani class, I'll give you an example. If it happens that your pattern in your little finger is a whirl. Okay, so for example, kini anay, let's solve this one muna. So the governing fingers once again is the little finger. So disregard this. Wala sila labot. Only this one. Just focus for the final. Okay? So we only need to write kung pilay result sa ridge counting sa imong loop pattern. So we write 14 over 12. Okay? But, marinay but, if it happens that your little finger, is a whirl, again, sa rule, we will treat that as ulnar loop. Okay, sample. In your right hand, for your right hand, we have a plain whirl. Okay. We have this converging ridge and that. So, meaning, himuon ko na nato ni siya class as ulnar loop. So, kung right hand ni, asa man ang iyang downwards? Paingon diri. Paana. Kay ulnar loop man. So, ang atong gamiton, kay loop naman siya, at himuon man nato nga loop, ang atong gamiton nga delta is the dot. Dili ni. Kay sulod man siya. So, magbilang na ta. Atong core, this will be our core, then mag-ridge counting ta. So, kung pila tong result sa atong pagbilang, 1, 2, 3, and 4, nga naigo, mautoy atong isulat. Kung sa atong little finger, mao ni sa right hand na to, right little finger, na ay 4, so we write 4. Ingana siya. So, kung if it happens na this is to napaya gid siya. Pod a left hand, mahimo siyang left hand. Same gihapon siya dya. Treat man nato siya as ulnar loop. So ang iya ng downward kay treat man nato then left hand siya. Ang downward na niya is paana na ang iyang slant. So this will be our delta. So bilang na pud ta kung pilay ni intervene. 2. So 2. Ana siya. Another. If we have a central packet, that bifurcation, then we have bifurcation na. Something nga na. Diba? Dapat kilaya gayud ta aning mga patterns class. Then, this is right hand. Again, asa ang downward niya? We will treat this as ulnar loop. So, the downward for the ulnar loop is dire. Paana. Ay, nako. Sorry, class ha. Kaya ko pa expert ining kagwang ng mga pen. So, the downward is like that. So, asa man ang atong itong delta? Of course, the delta, dili, kini. Bilangon na po nato kung pila. Hanapon na po nato atong core. Okay? So, the core would be this one. Bilangon na po nato kung pilay ni intervene. Mao na atong i-sulat. Kung imong pattern is central packet. What if, ma'am, my pattern is something, ay naku, it's okay. Something double loop whorl. So, what if, ma'am, we have double loop whorl? So, the rule, if we have double loop, treat that, or, the upright of the loop, meaning to say, kaning nagtindog ang atong pilion. So, this will be our core, and this will be our delta. Kay mag-atbang man jud ang atong delta ug ang core. So, if we do the ridge counting, pila may maabot, pila may matouch? 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3. It's either class, if it is right hand or left hand. Ha? Basta kay ang upright loop ang pilion. And if we have a pattern of accidental, according to kuan, ang least ridge count kuno ang imong pilion. So we have bifurcation, another bifurcation. Okay, kana. So kung ato ni gamiton as our core, pag mag-ridge counting ay mag-label ta diha, mag-imaginary line ta, pila may matouch? 1, 2, 3, 4. So na ay 4. Pag diri pod ta magkuha, paingon didto, pila pod ang na-touch? 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4. What if nadugangan na diha lang ta lamang? Naimong 5. So, kani atong pilion diri. So, we write 4 aside. Okay, another. Okay, always remember ha, the upright loop if double loop. Now, mas prepare ko na nga i-explain na in person. So, let's ridge count. Say, naatay we have a loop and whorl. Combination of a loop and whorl. So, if we choose this as our core, then this is our bifurcation, another bifurcation. 1, 2. So, we have 2. Pag diri nga side. If we choose this as our core, 1. So, 1. So, pilio na to ni. Kay sa rule, ang least ridge count man ang pilio na to. Okay? If puro na ang imong pattern sa imong little fingers is whorl. But, if your pattern sa imong little finger is pareha loop, so kung pila tong result, 36 over 50, so we write 50, 36. Ana lang. I hope you understand yun ni. It's so hard to explain, especially kung gagamit ko ng tab. I am not tricky pa dyan. Okay, another. Only the little finger ra gayud. Okay? So, the little finger is for final division. The thumb is for major. The index, the middle, and the ring is for sub-secondary. All fingers, both the rat family and the index is for secondary. And all governing fingers is for primary. Okay? Now, let's move to the K classification. The final gayud. Okay? Another presentation.